Welcome dear learners, welcome to another video in bioenergetics topic. In this video we will learn about the high energy compound molecule, that is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Come to the history. The adenosine triphosphate is first discovered by C. Fisk and Y. Subbarao in the United States, and independently by the another scientist K. Lohmann in Germany in 1929. Adenosine triphosphate is a multifunctional nucleotide. It is a multifunctional nucleotide. It is a multifunctional nucleotide which acts as a coenzyme. It is also called as the molecular unit of currency. It is also called as a molecular unit of currency of intracellular energy transfer. For intracellular energy transfer, ATP transports chemical energy within cells for metabolism. This ATP transports chemical energy for metabolisms. And this ATP is produced by phosphorylation and cellular respiration. This ATP is produced by phosphorylation and cellular respiration with the help of ATP synthase enzyme. Using inorganic phosphate and adenosine diphosphate. In the presence of ATP synthase enzyme, ADP uses inorganic phosphate to form adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP. The third phosphate bond is high energy bond. It contains very high energy which is used for cellular metabolism, as we discussed earlier. One molecule of ATP contains, as shown here, one molecule of ATP contains 3 phosphate groups. One molecule of ATP contains 3 phosphate groups. Hence it is called as adenosine triphosphate. When come to the structure of the molecule, it consists of a purine base. It is a purine base called as adenine. Purine base is called as adenine. This adenine attached to the first carbon atom of a pentose sugar, ribose. This is a ribose sugar. For this ribose sugar, at first carbon position, the adenine, that is purine molecule, is attached here, and 3 phosphate groups are attached to the 5th carbon atom of the pentose sugar, and here in the 5th position 3 phosphate groups are attached. Like this we can dissipate the ATP structure. Let's come to the functions of ATP molecule. There are 3 main functions of ATP in cellular environment. That is, number 1 is transporting organic substances. Number 1 is transporting organic substances such as sodium and potassium to the cell membrane. ATP can transport these both cations across the cell membranes. And second function is synthesizing chemical compounds such as protein and cholesterol. Proteins and cholesterol. Synthesizing chemical compounds like proteins and cholesterol. And final third function, main function is supplying energy for mechanical work. Supplying energy for mechanical work such as muscle contraction. These are the three main functions of ATP molecule in cellular environment. The standard amount of energy released from hydrolysis of ATP can be calculated from the changes in energy under natural conditions. The energy released by cleaving either a phosphate or pyrophosphate unit from ATP at standard state as follows. That is, ATP when undergone hydrolysis, ADP is formed and phosphate molecule is formed. In this reaction, around minus 7.3 kilocalorie per mole energy is released. If we cleave another molecule of phosphate from the ADP, that is ATP when undergone hydrolysis, when it produces AMP, that is adenosine monophosphate, here pyrophosphate is liberated. In this reaction, around minus 10.9 kilocalorie per mole energy is released. So this is the simple introduction about the ATP molecule. ATP molecule was first discovered by C. Fisk and Y. Subbarao in United States, independently by K. Lohmann in Germany in 1929. ATP molecule is a multifunctional nucleotide. It acts as a coenzyme. ATP is also called as molecular unit of currency. It supplies the chemical energy to the metabolisms. Comes to the synthesis of ATP. The ATP is synthesized from phosphorylation reaction by using ATP synthase enzyme. Adenosine diphosphate utilizes the phosphate group to produce adenosine triphosphate molecule. Come to the structure of ATP molecule. Ribose sugar pentose at first position, it is attached with purine molecule, that is adenine molecule, and fifth position it is attached with 3 phosphate molecules. And the third phosphate bond is very high energy bond, that is cleaved during the normal cellular events to produce the energy required for metabolisms. And the come to the functions of the ATP molecule. It contains mainly 3 functions. Number 1 is ATP transports the organic substances like sodium and potassium ions across the cell membrane, and it also used in synthesis of proteins and cholesterol, and it also liberates the energy for mechanical work, for example muscle contraction. When ATP is hydrolyzed to ADP, it produces around minus 7.3 kilocalorie per mole energy. When ATP is hydrolyzed to AMP, that is adenosine monophosphate, it produces around minus 10.9 kilocalorie per mole energy. Thank you for watching.